In this video, you will learn how to draw and how to trade parallel channel, bottom and correction in the middle and top of the parallel channel. You will see example of bullish and bearish channel on higher time frame like daily and lower time frame like H4. You need 3 points to draw parallel channel. Because this is bullish trend, you buy at lower trend line and take profit at upper trend line. Similarly, you sell at upper trend line and take profit at lower trend line. In bullish trend, as long as price trade above lower trend line, you take entry every time it touch lower trend line, while completely exit when it breaks lower trend line. Now you know how to draw parallel channel, but when you draw this channel, you were completely in middle of the channel at the end of correction. What if you can buy gold at the bottom, taking profit at all-time high, then again taking entry as a seller? Now we will teach you most advanced strategy that will change you from beginner trader into pro trader. As a beginner trader, you buy at all-time high, sell at lower trend line of the channel. This is the reason you lost money in 2020 and still losing money in 2021. To get bottom and top of the channel, we will combine other strategy like support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement and extension tool. On weekly chart, this is your support. Price tested this resistance with 6 weekly candle in a row. Then it break out, retest again this support with 4 weekly candle in a row. Then it made new higher high. It again retest this support. If you were aware with this support, you can buy right at the support. Then wick right at support and closing above the support, confirm buyers taking entry. When you buy gold here, if there is a parallel channel, then it will start from here. To get bottom of the channel, you have to understand previous trend. Now you get bottom, then you draw parallel channel using 3 point. This was your first entry. This is your second entry. Now you have 2 entry and price is trading inside a parallel channel on daily chart. Then it made new all-time high, which changed everything because you do not have a resistance where you can sell. To get top of the parallel channel, we will add another tool to our strategy, trend based fib extension. Price made this sideways correction, red candle on daily chart. There was a fixed extension here, but price breakout upside because it was in middle of the channel, not at lower or upper trend line. Then again it tested this upper trend line at 1.382 fib projection at 2074. This was your all-time high. You sell at upper trend line, take profit at lower trend line. Since it was all-time high, last time made gold all-time high in 2011, you should have at least one trade open if entire trend reverse from here. Then you have a perfect entry. You are selling at top of new bearish trend. You buy lower trend line, taking profit at upper trend line, but this wave did not test it upper trend line. You exit when it breaks this trend line with profit. Now you know how to draw parallel channel, how to get top and bottom of the channel. This is why you know how to trade parallel channel. Because as a beginner trader, all of you have buy gold at all-time high, still waiting in loss in hope it will go to 3k again. We can finish video here. With this information we can got views and subscriber, but what will you do in a bearish paler channel? This was daily chart. How will you trade on H4 time frame? Now we will teach you complete strategy with two more examples: top, double bottom and correction in middle of the channel. Because you have understanding of previous trend, you sold at the top. You do not know who will win, Trump or Biden, but if there is a bearish channel, it will start from here. Because you have understanding of previous trend, you already draw your Fibonacci retracement and buy at 50% retracement at 1763, taking profit at previous resistance, selling again at previous resistance. Now you have 2 points to draw parallel channel, correction in middle of the channel, selling at the end of correction at upper trend line, taking profit at lower trend line, buying again at lower trend line. Understanding of previous trend give us top of parallel channel. Now we will get bottom of parallel channel. Why price made bottom at this level? Because we have 61% retracement of previous trend, 0.886 fib extension for wave C, 1.382 fib extension of sub wave of C. Lower trend line of channel already tested twice. Because we have 4 different strategy predicting support here, this is the reason we got double bottom. We were finding bottom of the parallel channel, but we got 2 bottom. Now you buy again at this double bottom at lower trend line, taking profit at upper trend line. Bulls taking profit, that is why you are seeing red candle on daily chart. Before we give example of lower time frame, we will compare both channel together so that you can understand the difference between bullish and bearish parallel channel. On right side you have fib retracement and support for your help. On left side you did not have resistance and fib retracement for your help. On both sides you have upper and lower trend line, ABC corrective wave, fib extension for help to tell you top and bottom. This is parallel channel on H4 time frame. You should know what is difference between daily and H4 time frame. When you are trading on H4, you have daily, weekly, monthly time frame for your help. If you did not find support and resistance or did not understand trend, you can go higher time frame from daily to monthly to understand the principal trend. On H4 time frame, you still have H1, M30, M15 time frame for your help. Basically you have 3 higher time frame and 3 lower time frame for your help. When all trade in one direction, you trade in that direction. Now daily chart tell you to buy here before parallel channel started on H4. For intraday you buy at lower trend line, sell at upper trend line, holding your trade as long as price is trading inside a parallel channel. After all of this, you know how to draw parallel channel, how to get top and bottom of channel, how to take entry in the middle of the channel, how to grow from beginner to pro trader who buy low, sell high.